Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser. I know it's been a while. I know I am so sorry, but I am back and ready to get things moving. I'm starting with this very quick crochet hairstyle that I did on this hair. It took me like about 35 minutes to do it, so depending on how fast you do crochet, it might be like 30 to like an hour. I'm using the same hair that I used to do this hairstyle. If you are not new to the channel, you already know that I'm all about saving my hair and using it as much as I can. This is how it looks like in a pack. It's the Aruba bounce twist. So for the previous hairstyle that I used I only used 2 packs, but I had bought 3 packs before, so I only have one new pack, and the other ones that I'm using are pretty much the 2 other packs that I used for the previous hairstyle. I didn't want to do cornrows because I've been rocking this little braid things for like a few days, and I've been wearing a wig, so I didn't want to take them out and actually do it again. Please excuse my nails. I actually went and did them after because I had an appointment right after I finished doing this hair. All I'm doing is basically tying the ends together and making sure that they're secure. You can use a rubber band, you can use whatever you think is going to keep them secure. Choose whatever you think is going to hold them together and make sure that it's going to hold your crochet twist when you do them. I just had that little rubber band left and I just cut that out. So that's how it looks like after I've tied everything. It felt secure for me. So I'm just going to start doing the crochet. So at the back, I'm basically just doing the whole curl and I'm not separating it at all. And I'm just making sure that I space them out a little bit to make sure that the back is not going to be so full and bulky. I'm trying to use the 3 packs. By the way, if you don't like a lot of hair on your head, then you definitely do not need to use 3 packs. I think 2 packs are more than enough, especially because I did not separate the curls in the back of my head or like in the middle section of my head. So keep watching and see how I did this. So this is the crochet 2 packs in already, and at the top now, so I'm just going to do the top and I'm going to use the new pack that I have. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking each curl and separating it into 2 or 3 sections depending on how I felt like. Some I did 2 sections, some I did 3 sections. And I did this just to make sure that the top, like the curls, do not look too big and bulky, and also to make sure that I'm not putting a lot of hair at the top and it makes it look crazy. So I just did this to make sure that I'm covering as much area with as little hair as I can. So as you saw at the beginning, it shows that I did the knotless crochet, and this is basically how I did it. If you don't know how to do the knotless crochet, it's basically doing the crochet needle, putting the hair in it and looping out, and instead of pulling it all the way, you just pull one side, you pull it through, and it basically looks like there's no knots. And because my hair is pretty much kind of blending into the hair, it just makes it or helps it look as natural as possible. And this is what the full look looked like. I didn't like the hair at the back being so long, so I decided to basically just chop it off. I'm not good at cutting hair, so I'm usually very scared when I do it because I feel like I'm going to cut all of it and it's going to look crazier than it did at the beginning. So I chopped the sides as well and on the other side, just trying to make it look balanced kind of way. I don't know. I don't know if there's a way that you can do it at the beginning without you know, having to cut it when you're done. But that's how it looks like at the end. I absolutely love it. See, it doesn't look too big, and if you want it to look bigger, you can pretty much just go on ahead and separate the curls, but I am happy with this look. I am happy. Thanks for coming by the channel, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs it up, and I will see you on the channel next time. Bye.